Good morning, everyone. Myself, Ishani Jain, requested to our English class teacher, Miss Shahana Thakur ma'am, to please start our today English class and our English chapter 9, a bicycle in good repair.
Okay, so we read about this a bicycle or in good repair. Did we complete this chapter? Have we completed?
No, ma'am.
Oh, we
I
have not
am
completed.
audible to. No,
Okay,
ma'am.
Question parts are left, I think.
ठीक है. So I thought we had completed, so I thought today we'll take models. Anyway, so let us complete this.
Okay, ma'am.
Tia, give me some points where we had left of this last time. What we had read.
We had read this chapter about to complete this chapter.
Okay, very nicely you have given it in short.
We are about to complete.
Samanyu, okay, Samanyu, you tell us what was the last point that you had mentioned.
We are going to end this chapter.
Huh. Yes, Vidhan. In the meantime, Samanyu and Tia get ready, and Vidhan. Yes.
Ma'am.
Huh. What did we read last time? Last time when we left. Huh.
Ma'am, we left at this.
Okay, we read about.
Ma'am, his head.
Huh?
Here, his head.
Okay. Yes, finally we had read that the man
Ma'am,
was
we
able
have
to
to
fix
continue with page 131, last paragraph.
the wheel, and then he tried to fix the gear case, isn't it? So, and then the struggle. We are going to read about the struggle between the man and the cycle. So, yes, I think we are going to read from page 131.
Last paragraph.
Okay, so he asked the writer to find the bearings, those balls and bearings. So he tried to search, and then they were able to find only 11. Yes, Palak, will you read, Palak?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I read?
I'm noting down your names to
Ma'am,
give.
Ma'am, may I read?
अच्छा जो
मैम,
एक एक
एक बार
करके
चांस
सबको
नहीं
चांस है
आई
ना?
हमारी।
पलक को पहले दे दे, पलक को कभी चांस नहीं मिली है. पलक, will you start reading, Palak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Then he lost his temper and tried bullying the things. The bicycle, I was
Palak,
glad
read from
to.
here. Palak, read from
Yes,
top. We found 11.
okay, ma'am. We found 11. We fixed 6 on one side and 5 on the other. And half an hour late, the wheel was in its place again. It needed hardly be added, then it really did wobble now. A child might have noticed it. He said it would be for the pleasant.
Okay, very good. So this we had read. है ना? Yesterday I remember that we had read before yesterday. Yes.
Ma'am.
That they were able to fix. But
Ma'am.
now,
Can I read?
Ashirwad.
Please tell the
Ashirwad.
Ma'am, may I read?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, may I?
आशीर्वाद मैं देख रही हूँ जो लोग हाथ ऊपर कर रहे हैं
Doubt.
ना, जिनको चांस नहीं मिली अभी तक, तो सबसे पहले उनको चांस दे देते. आशीर्वाद को नहीं मिली अभी तक. आशीर्वाद.
मैम, हमें भी नहीं मिली.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
ओके अर्नव. ओके वेट, डाउट कोड देखते हैं. अर्नव हैज रेज्ड. ओके
Ma'am,
अर्नव.
can you?
यस, विदान आस्क.
Ma'am, I इसका meaning can you tell? I need hardly be added that it really did wobble now.
इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि उसकी साइकिल तो पहले से ठीक थी, कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं थी, मगर ये आदमी को ना बहुत he loved fumbling with the others cycles, है ना. So he toyed, है ना, he removed and he dismantled parts, और फिर उनको वापस जब लगाया, especially here in this paragraph it's mentioned about the wheel लगाया, और वो मतलब सारे bearings और balls भी they searched but they were not able to find, है ना. ये क्या है? अमित कुमार सोयल आउटसाइड ACS4. नो, ही वुडंट बी अलाउड ना. तो वो जो फिक्स हो गई है ना, अभी बीच में कोई आ गया तो इसलिए आई गॉट डिस्टर्ब. हाँ, सो नाउ इट बिगैन टू वॉबल. पहले तो वॉबल करती नहीं थी. व्हेन दैट मैन इन द बिगिनिंग, जब हम चैप्टर पढ़े थे, दैट मैन हैड आस्क्ड द राइटर कि डिड योर साइकिल, डज योर साइकिल वॉबल? तो उसने कहा नो, इट गोज स्मूथली इन द मॉर्निंग एंड इन द आफ्टरनून अ बिट वॉबल्स। उसका मतलब ये था कि इट देयर वाज नथिंग रॉन्ग, बट आफ्टरनून में, यस प्रणिल, हाँ प्रणिल, कैन यू टाइप अगेन? प्रणिल हैज गिवन द आंसर। प्रणिल, it means the writer thought it was obvious, not necessary to say to understand it wobbled. Yes, that it did not really wobble, what he meant. मगर उसको क्या किया उस आदमी ने, he began to show as if though he knew a lot, और राइटर को कहा go and bring the hammer, और जब वो हैमर लेकर आया शेड से तो देखा कि उसने तो व्हील ही डिसमेंटल कर दिया, अलग कर दिया। अब राइटर हैड नो चॉइस, उसने सोचा शायद इसको आता है, और उसके बाद उसने गियर बॉक्स किया, फिर उसकी वो जो था ये चेन उसको ढीला और फिर टाइट किया, है ना। अब उसने किसी तरह से वो सब वापस लगा दिया, जो पहिया था व्हील, बट अब वो जो थी इट वाज नॉट स्मूथ, है ना। अब वो स्मूथली नहीं चल रही थी, अब इट बिगेन टू वॉबल, है ना, अनस्टेडी हो गई साइकिल, अनस्टेडी हो गई, वॉबल, है ना, अनस्टेडी हो गई। विधान समझ में आ गया? विधान, you had asked Vidhan. I hope it's clear to you now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ये कौन है? अमित कुमार सोयल wants to join, but I don't know who's Amit.
Yes,
Ma'am,
She's from our class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अरे यशविनी है मैम।
तो मैंने उसको एडमिट कर दिया, है ना, ठीक है। अब ये बताइए, अब किसका था? हु इज गोइंग टू रीड? अर्नव ने हाथ ऊपर किया था। अर्नव कहाँ है? अर्नव को चांस नहीं मिली है।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ
Ma'am, Sonakshi.
अर्नव कहाँ है?
Yes, ma'am.
अर्नव रीड, अर्नव रीड। हाँ,
I said, watching you do this is of real use to me. It is not only your skin that fascinates me. It is your cheery confidence in yourself, your
inexplicable, mysterious
fullness that does me good.
तो वो sarcastically बोला, वो really did not mean कि तुम इतना confidently you're doing things that it fascinates me। हाँ, उसको गुस्सा आ रहा था मन में, but he was being sarcastic, mock कर रहा था। Yes, who is going to read next? तस्लीमा ने हाथ ऊपर किया था। तस्लीमा read।
Ma'am.
इस बात ईशानी। हाँ
मैम, मेरी तो करनी हुई थी।
ओके, रीड।
मैम, मैं
मैम मेरा थोड़ा सा कनेक्शन अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है, तो मैं क्या एक बार रिफ्रेश
सामान्य रीड। सामान्य को हो गया।
मैम, समन्यु का कनेक्ट।
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I?
219 कौन है? आस्था है। 219। ओके, सोनाक्षी रीड।
Ma'am, may I?
हाँ,
रीड।
it is your in yourself, your expectable hopefulness that does me good.
Yes, we have read this. I want somebody to read loud. किसकी आवाज loud है यहाँ पर?
Ma'am, may I?
ठीक है, टिया के बाद मिराल पढ़ेगी, मिराल पढ़ेगा, है ना। ओके, टिया।
I have not got it down.
मैम, मेरा लड़की है।
Encouraged.
रीड मेरा टिया।
Thus encouraged, he set to work to refix the gear case. He stood the bicycle against the house and worked from the offside. Then he stood it against a tree and worked from the onside. Then I held it for him while he lay on the ground with his head between the wheels and worked at it from below and dropped oil upon himself. Then he took it away from me and doubled himself across it till he lost his balance and slid over onto his head.
ये हमने कल पढ़ा था, रिमेम्बर? किस तरह से he was trying to fix the gear case। कभी वो इधर खड़ा होता, कभी उधर खड़ा होता, है ना, कभी वो लेट के करता, कभी वो उसके ऊपर चला गया, और उसके ऊपर जब वो बेंड हुआ तो ही फेल ऑन हिज हेड, है ना. इट वाज वेरी फनी. ओके, विधान रीड, कंटिन्यू.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
may I?
When he lost his temper and tried bullying the thing, the bicycle, I was glad to see, showed spirit, and the subsequent proceedings degenerated into little else than a rough and tumble fight between him and the machine.
ओके, जस्ट स्टॉप हियर, विधान स्टॉप हियर. तो वो जो था उसमें देखो पर्सोनिफिकेशन है, जैसे लिविंग बीइंग है साइकिल, है ना. अब क्या हुआ कि दिस मैन, जब वो ही वाज नॉट एबल टू फिक्स दैट गियर बॉक्स, है ना, सो एंड ही फेल ऑन हिज, स्लिड ऑन हिज हेड. तो उसको बहुत गुस्सा आ गया. ही लॉस्ट हिज टेम्पर, माने उसको बहुत गुस्सा आ गया. ही लॉस्ट हिज टेम्पर, है ना. एंड ही ट्राइड टू बुली, उसको परेशान करने लगा साइकिल को. इसको इतना गुस्सा आया कि वो साइकिल को बुली करने लगा, परेशान करने लगा. द बाइसाइकिल, आई वाज ग्लैड टू सी, शोड स्पिरिट. बाइसाइकिल भी पीछे हटने वाली नहीं थी. इसको गुस्सा आ रहा था, इसने सोचा मैं इसको साइकिल को परेशान करूंगा. एंड साइकिल आल्सो, राइटर वाज वेरी हैप्पी टू सी द साइकिल आल्सो डिड नॉट, was not suppressed, दबी नहीं उससे,
और मैम,
है ना. And the subsequent means result. The result proceedings degenerated into little else than a rough and tumble fight between him and the machine. और उसके बाद ऐसा लगा जैसे कि मशीन में, साइकिल में, और उसमें लड़ाई हो रही है, टम्बल, स्ट्रगल चल रहा है, और दोनों में लड़ाई हो रही है. तो this was very happy to see the spirit in the bicycle.
उसका लॉस हुआ था.
मैं पढ़ूं?
विधान कुछ कह रहा है, विधान थोड़ा सा कुछ जरा.
मैम, उसका बैलेंस तो खुद ही लॉस हुआ था और वो खुद ही गिरा था, तो वो साइकिल को क्यों कर रहा था ऐसा?
वो ऐसे ही आदमी था. कुछ लोगों की आदत होती है ना दूसरों की चीजों से एक्सपेरिमेंट करना, है ना. बिकॉज
मशीन की गलती है.
तो वो आदमी ऐसे ही था, है ना. सो दैट इज व्हाट द स्टोरी इज. ये सामान्य, कंटिन्यू.
Ma'am, may I?
लाउड.
मैम मैं
One movement.
सामान्य छोड़ का.
One movement, the bicycle would be on the gravel path, and he on top of it. The next, the position would be reversed. He on the gravel path, the bicycle on him. Now, मैम पढ़ूं आगे?
हाँ, तो वन मोमेंट, सो जो लड़ाई शुरू हुई, अब वो डिस्क्रिप्शन है कि वन मोमेंट द बाइसाइकिल वुड बी ऑन द ग्रेवल पार्ट. वो जो ग्रेवल था, ग्रेवल पार्ट, इट वाज देयर, एंड ही ऑन द टॉप ऑफ इट. एट द नेक्स्ट पोजीशन वुड बी रिवर्स. पता चला वो उसके ऊपर साइकिल है. हाँ, सो एट द नेक्स्ट ही ऑन द ग्रेवल पार्ट, द बाइसाइकिल ऑन हिम. नाउ ही वुड बी, फिर उसके बाद he would be standing flush with victory. वो जीत गया, जैसे कि उसका he was fixing the bicycle. The bicycle firmly fixed between his legs, but his trump. What is the meaning of trump? T-R-U-M-P-H. Trump. T-R-I-U-M-P-H. What is the meaning of trump? इसको pronounce करते हैं trump. What is the meaning of this trump?
Victory.
Victory. इसको भी victory कहते हैं. पहले अभी ये वर्ड हुआ है ना, जीत, विक्ट्री. सो दिस विक्ट्री वुड बी शॉर्ट लिव्ड. बाय अ सडन क्विक मूवमेंट इट वुड फ्री इटसेल्फ एंड टर्निंग अपॉन हिम हिट हिम. फिर उसको चोट लग जाती ओवर वन हेड एंड विद इट्स हैंडल्स. तो ये स्ट्रगल दोनों का चलता रहा, साइकिल का और इस एक्वेंटेंस का. Angana, will you read loud?
May I read? I have not got.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, I have read many times.
You have read many times. See this spirit. Very good. Now,
Ma'am, may I?
1, 2, 1. Yes, you read, Aditya.
May I? Ma'am, may I?
1, 2, 1.
हाँ, विशाल भी दिख रहा है अभी तो. हाँ,
Ma'am, may I?
पढ़िए. हाँ, आदित्य पढ़िए. After this, Ashirvad will read. आदित्य पढ़िए।
कौन सा आदित्य मैम?
अच्छा कौन सा आदित्य? रोल नंबर 70121 121।
ओ पढ़ आदित्य सिंह।
अच्छा वो पढ़ नहीं रहा अभी, ठीक है दूसरा।
मैम आपने पहले
मैम,
मित्तल को बोला था।
अच्छा ठीक है, तो ये कौन है? चलो फिर नेक्स्ट हु इज गोइंग टू रीड? चलो फिर
मैम,
वही पढ़ते। पलक रीड,
can I-
कंटिन्यू, बट लाउड पलक, पलक लाउड।
Yes, ma'am. Now he would be standing flushed with victory, the bicycle firmly fixed between his legs, but his triumph would be short-lived. By a sudden quick movement, it would free itself and turning upon him, hit him sharply over the head with one of its handles.
I hope this is clear. है ना? I have just now read and also explained. Last, continue.
Ma'am, can
Ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am, can I read?
So many children are saying, can I read? Can I read?
Ma'am, can I?
Let me see who
Can
reads
I?
loud.
Ma'am, can
Ma'am, may
I?
I?
How many you got chance to read?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I read?
ये कौन है?
Ma'am, can I?
120. Roll number 120. Read.
Ma'am, me?
हाँ, read 121.
At a quarter to one, dirty and disheveled, cut and bleeding, he said, I think that will do, and rose and wiped his brow.
Bro, तो at quarter to one, पौने 12 बजे जो हिंदी में बोलते, he was disheveled, है ना, बाल बिल्कुल बिखरे बिखरे and dirty and some cuts also, bleeding also, and he said, I think that's will do, that will do.
Ma'am,
हाँ विधान,
मैम
yes,
पौने
विधान, हाँ
क्वार्टर टू वन पौने
डिसेबल्ड माने बिखरे हुए बाल, है ना, डिसेबल्ड पूरे कपड़े वगैरह, है ना, not proper, okay. So and he wiped his
Disabled means
yes, yes,
Ma'am,
continue.
can I read?
ma'am, disabled means
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can
I
I?
have
Disabled
down.
means untidy.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
have
can
down.
I?
Ma'am, can I?
Not got any
Ma'am,
chance.
I have
Ma'am, can
down.
I?
कोई वो डाउट पूछ रहा है, विधान जरा टाइप कर दो डाउट अपना,
कैन आई रीड
टाइप करो जरा।
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
can I
have
read?
down.
नो मैम
अच्छा
ऐसे
ठीक है,
ही है तो
अभी रुकिए, पहले डाउट्स क्लियर करते हैं। अब विधान थोड़ा डाउट पूछो और टाइप करो, डाउट को टाइप करो।
मैम मेरे को डाउट नहीं है, मैंने बस ऐसे किया था बस।
तुमने किया नहीं रखा था? अच्छा ये डाउट है, चलो कंटिन्यू करो, चलो लास्ट।
Ma'am, disabled means
Ma'am, may I read?
Ma'am, may
Yeah,
I
we
read?
will
Ma'am,
read
may I
fast.
read? I have not got any chance.
Disabled means untidy, है ना, बाल बिखरे हुए, गंदा गंदा कपड़े सब
Ma'am,
गंदे,
can I
disabled,
read?
है ना,
Ma'am,
ruffled,
disabled
disabled,
Ma'am, I read.
हाँ,
Ma'am, can I
okay.
read?
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
read?
disabled means
Ma'am, can I read?
Tia, what are you saying?
Ma'am, disabled means
हाँ, disheveled, 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 that's what I'm saying, है ना, disheveled का मतलब है untidy, है ना, सब बाल वाल बिखरे हुए थे, अब कपड़े भी गंदे थे, he was bleeding and all, है ना, disheveled means untidy, disheveled.
Ma'am, can I read?
Just opposite of
Ma'am, can I read?
Can I read?
without, yes.
Ma'am,
but
can I read?
answer.
Ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am, can
हाँ,
I
read,
read?
complete this Vidhan.
Ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am, can
Loud,
I read?
Vidhan, loud पढ़ना. हाँ.
यस मैम एट ए क्वार्टर टू वन dirty and disheveled, cut and bleeding, he said, I think that will do, and rose and wiped his brow.
मैम
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I read?
Continue.
Ma'am,
Can I read?
Ma'am, can I?
I have not got any chance.
Ma'am, can I?
एक मिनट, ये शोर बहुत हो रहा है.
Ma'am, can
Pranil, can you hear me?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I read?
Pranil, read last paragraph.
Ma'am, my internet connection was not there.
Ma'am,
Where I,
Nitika,
had
read. Nitika, read.
The bicycle looked as if it also had enough of it, which had received most punishment.
it would have been difficult to say. I took him into the back kitchen where, so far as was possible, he cleaned himself. Then one sent him home.
And then I sent him home. Okay, so right from the morning till afternoon, 1:45, this struggle between the cycle and this man went on, and the writer at the end says, I don't know who was happy or who had been punished. Who do you think was punished? Or this man enjoyed? What do you think?
Mechanic.
Yes, Arnav, what means I think
That mechanic punished and that man enjoyed it.
Bicycle should be
I'm
punished.
getting the answers, and some children think it's a bicycle. It's a bicycle that got the punishment. Okay, others think, yes, bicycle. All of you think that it's a bicycle. Or
Bicycle.
even the bicycle had the spirit. It is given that man was disabled and he was also bleeding with cuts and all also. So it could be both.
Bicycle does not have any fault, but they have did the condition of this bicycle like this.
Okay, that is also true. Okay, now I'll ask you questions. Okay, I think it's better you typed your answers. Okay, because when you speak, there's more noise and I'm not able to understand. So you type your answers.
मैम जब लॉन्ग आंसर्स होते तब टाइप करने में ज्यादा टाइम लगता है.
अच्छा, तो वो टाइप मत करना, ठीक है? अगर लॉन्ग आंसर्स हो, शॉर्ट में कुछ वर्ड्स दे देना, ठीक है?
मैम
Did
आप
the
रीजन
front
ऑप्शन
wheel,
से पता कर सकते हैं.
ठीक है? Did the
Ma'am,
front
reasons-
wheel, अब मैं स्टार्ट करूं सामान्य. Did the front wheel really wobble? Did it wobble?
No.
It did not wobble. Yes. All of you, Angana, Pallak, Taslima, very good. Nitika, Ananya, Taslima, Hansika have given, Pallak has given the answer. No. Give a reason. Yes. Give a reason. Yes. Reason also you have to give. Arnav, you have to give the reason. Hansika, reason दे रहा है. हाँ? अभी आंसर आप दे सकते हैं. Yes, you want to give the answer? Give. You have raised your hand. Aditya, 121 roll number. Who types the answer? Yes. I'm waiting for the long answer. Yes. Give the reason. You have to know the reason. Yes. It was in good condition. Palak, it was in good condition. Very good. Palak, it was in good condition. The writer was ready to go for a ride. He was ready. Isn't it? It was in good condition. Yes, Arnav, Sonakshi, Palak. So it did not need any, it did not wobble. It was in good condition. Okay. In what condition did the author find the bicycle when he returned from the shed? Okay, when he returned, yes, Pranil, yes, Sonakshi ne diya hai. Pranil again has given the answer that he found. Purvi has also given that he found the wheel had been dismantled. Pranil, no, the
wheel has been dismantled.
Yes, he was playing with the wheel, twiddling the wheel between his legs, isn't it? It's given on this page, page 127.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
When he returned, he found that the front wheel had been taken off.
बाहर निकाल दिया उसे.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
चेक कर रहे हैं कि वो
The
wobble
wheel had been taken off and the rest of the bearings and balls were lying scattered on the ground. Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, very good. Very good, all of you. All of you have given the answers. They are typing and they have given Hansika, Tia, Hansika, Purvi. Hansika ने बार-बार वो टाइप करके दे रही आंसर्स. वेरी गुड, यू हैव गिवन करेक्ट आंसर. अब मैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे जाती हूँ, थर्ड पे. नथिंग इज ईजियर देन टेकिंग ऑफ द गियर केस. कमेंट ऑन और कंटिन्यू सेंटेंस इन द लाइट ऑफ एक्चुअली what happens. It is given on page. ये पेज पे कौन से पेज पे दिया है? It's given
But
this
it was impossible to join it.
Yes. Who wants to join? Yes, it's easy to this. Yes. What did you say?
मतलब उसको बाहर निकालने के
But
लिए
it was
easy था,
impossible
लेकिन
to
वो
join
लगाने में
it
बहुत हार्ड
again.
हुआ.
But it was impossible to join it again.
Yes, the author's friend had once said that it is easy to dismantle the
Ma'am, I have a
gearbox or
doubt.
open
But
the
it is
gearbox.
impossible to join it again.
Yes, but it's difficult to ये कौन आंसर है? हंसिका प्रणिल
अर्णव हैंड रेस कर ले अगर जानता तो.
हंसिका, yes, very good all of you. To fix it back is it difficult? Yes, Pranil. Yes, taken off is easy, but yes, Angana, but fixing it back is
easily, but
very difficult, and it is never it does not remain same after once the gearbox has been opened. It's not easy to fix it again. और उसमें वो बोलता है कि his friend had told him once that if the gear case is opened, then it's better to sell off the bicycle. है ना? It's easy to. I think it's given on page. कहाँ पे दिया है? It's given on page 129. It's first paragraph, last lines. If anything goes wrong with your gear case, sell the machine and buy a new one. It comes cheaper. So fixing it back is very difficult. Now next question. What special treatment did the chain receive?
The chain was first tightened and then it was loosened till its strength.
Yes, at first it was tightened and then it
At
was
first it was tightened and
loosened
then it was loosened 2 times at its strength.
और फिर ढीला किया तो फिर वो लटक गई.
हाँ, ये भी आंसर आपको सेम पेज पे मिलेगा. Same page. The friend has two qualities. He knows what he's doing and is absolutely sure it is good. Find the two phrases. कौन से दो phrases है? देखिए कौन बताएगा? वो mention करता है sarcastically.
Ma'am, may I?
Confidence in yourself.
Carry confidence in yourself. You are
He
Yes,
lost
cherry
his
confidence
temper and tried to pull the bicycle.
stable.
hopelessness. It's
Hopefulness.
given
He
on
lost
page.
his temper and tried to bullying his bicycle.
Ma'am, attendance.
Tell the page number. It's on page number 130, last paragraph. Page number 130, last paragraph. You can get those phrases. Cheerful disposition, last paragraph. And then next page, first
131
paragraph.
Attendance.
Inexplicable hopefulness.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ये भी हो सकता है क्या कि then he lost his temper and tried bullying the bicycle.
हाँ,
नहीं, one movement the bicycle would on the
ये
carrot
अगर
हाथ से वाला.
ये पल्लव
ये
जो
वाला
आप
है.
बोल रहे हो, ये 6 questions answer. The 6th question is, what is describe the fight between the man and the machine. Find the relevant sentences in the text and write them. So this answer you will get from page 131, last paragraph. Okay,
Ma'am,
you
the
can
two phases are
you can write this in
one
short.
movement.
131 page pe.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 131 page you have this answer. Yes,
So, ma'am,
Irish,
यही है ना.
Irish, is it clear?
You have to take
Irish,
attendance.
Ma'am, this is our homework.
Okay, Samanyu, is it correct, Tia?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you found the
Ma'am,
answer.
this is the homework.
One
This is
movement.
homework. You can start doing. I will share afterwards the question answers.
Okay,
Because,
ma'am.
and then
Ma'am,
you
आप
can check on your own.
जब तक आप मॉडल्स बनाते
Grammar, then I will share all the exercises for you to refer. अगर
Okay,
मुश्किल
ma'am.
जाता है, you can see there and check. But now you should start doing on your own. Okay?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
मॉडल्स पढ़ा दो.
should I end the class now? Should I end it?
Attendance. Ma'am, attendance.
Before going, I will again call out your names.
No attendance.
हाँ, मैं एक दफा फिर से नाम बुला लेती हूँ, है ना, जो एब्सेंट मुझे लग रहे थे.
मैम, एक मिनट, तो वो टू फेसेस थे, तो वो एक तो यही वाला है ना, वन मूवमेंट द बाइसाइकिल विल बी ऑन द
Yes, Samanyu, you are right. This same answer you have to write here. ये अंशिका, अंशिका come. नो. Anushka? No. Bhumika? No, she has not come. आइए भूमिका क्या?
Ma'am, please mark my attendance. Astha 701, class 7th A.
गौरी, गौरी आया क्या? गौरी आई है? No.
Ma'am, have you marked my attendance?
Ma'am, Kirti Yadav is present.
Hasn't come.
Ma'am, Aditya Kumar is present.
Why hasn't come? Sonakshi?
Present, ma'am.
Suruchi?
Ma'am, please mark my attendance. Jumaila.
Present, ma'am.
अच्छा, Suruchi has come.
Ma'am, have you marked my attendance?
Himanshu?
Astha.
Himanshu
Class
आया?
7A.
Himanshu?
Ma'am, Shumaila Khan is present.
Okay.
Himanshu Verma is present.
Himanshu नहीं आया.
Please mark
Shumalia.
the attendance of roll number 1, class
Lakshya?
7A. Present. Ma'am, Lakshya Kumar Sharma is present.
Lakshya has not come. Then लक्ष्य के बाद ये कौन है? माहीवर्धन? माहीवर्धन आया है?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, मैं present हूँ.
आया, माहीवर्धन has come. निकोलस? नहीं है. फिर रजत? नहीं है रजत. Okay. Then from A section, Aditi Kashyap? Aditi Kashyap है? Aditi Kashyap?
Present, ma'am.
हाँ? दिव्या? नो. देन रुचि? नहीं है. रुचि नहीं है. ठीक. फिर वर्षा भी नहीं है. देन आदित्य कुमार?
Present, ma'am.
प्रेजेंट. देन एकांश? एकांश नहीं है. फिर पीयूष कुमार? नहीं है. देन राजवंश?
Present, ma'am.
ओके, राजवंश. फिर लास्ट में विशाल?
Ma'am, Rajvansh is present.
हाँ?
अरे हाँ लगा दी.
हाँ कर दिया. विशाल?
Ma'am,
हाँ.
Lakshya Kumar Sharma is present.
ओके, लक्ष्य कुमार शर्मा इज प्रेजेंट. ओके. ओके चिल्ड्रन.
हम जिन जिन की होगी उठा सकते हैं क्या?